Are you constantly feeling tired, run down? Perhaps you're balancing family life and work life. Well, I've got a few simple tips for you just to improve your energy levels. One of the most simple things you can do is eat a balanced diet. But I'm also going to talk to you about 4 ingredients that have been shown to improve your vibrancy and energy levels. Number 1, D-ribose. Now, D-ribose has been shown to actually replenish depleted energy stores and also combat fatigue. Number 2, magnesium. Now, magnesium is a vital part of so many different reactions, and research has actually shown that being deficient can actually reduce the levels of energy in your body. Number 3, Acetyl-L-carnitine. Now, Acetyl-L-carnitine is an essential amino acid that is created in the body, and it's essential for the breakdown of fatty acids into energy in the cells. Research has shown also that it's been able to actually reduce symptoms of fatigue. Number 4, malic acid. Now, malic acid is naturally found in fruit, but it also helps with supporting other nutrients to create energy, and in turn helps with recovery. To find out more, visit our website and read our article on energy. And you could also visit your local health store to get more support at findahealthstore.com.